Hello there, my name is Alex, and welcome to the SmartSale's point of sale video tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through units, how to set them up, assign them to items, and use them in the system. To begin, log into the inventory management software, then click on the Inventory Management tab. Next, go to the Units section. Here, simply type the name of the unit you want to create. In this example, I'll enter case, and then press Save. The unit will appear in the list below. There are two ways to assign units to items. Create a new item, or edit an existing item, but both is an identical process. In this video, we'll edit an existing item. Start by going to the Inventory Management tab again, then click the Edit button for the item you want to modify. On the item editing screen, look to the right and click the Manage Unit button. Under Additional Unit, you'll see a list of all available units. Select the unit you'd like to assign, in this case, case. Next, enter the quantity per unit, for example, 24 items per case. Then, set the selling price and cost price for that unit. Once done, click Save New Unit. The unit will now appear in the list below, and you can edit or delete at any time. You can also go to the Items with Units tab to view all items with assigned units. From here, you can edit or add additional units to any item as needed. Now, let's switch over to the point of sale application. Here, click on Item Lookup and search for the item with the unit assigned. You'll now have the option to select either the individual item or the unit, such as case. Let's go ahead and select case. This is how it will appear when sold as a unit. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up units, assign them to items, and use them in both inventory and point of sale. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Thank you for watching.